guys, Candida here, and this is the blue GINKGO over-the-counter colander. I love this when I am washing fruit. It has the holes here, so none of my fruit's going to fall through. It's collapsible, so it not only fits in the counter, but I can adjust it to fit in my sink, lengthwise or longwise. I have been soaking my strawberries, and they're ready to be rinsed out. So just like that, I pour my strawberries in, and now I can rinse my strawberries, and they're going to be ready to be dried soon. I've had this colander now for several months, and I absolutely love it. I love that I can not only rinse my fruit, but I can also pour my pasta in as needed. It's easy cleanup. I can simply pull it apart, stick it in the dishwasher, and when it's dry, it collapses and it doesn't take up much room in my cabinet. Now that my strawberries are rinsed, I can shake it out. And now I'm just going to let it sit here so it drips dry a little bit longer before I put it up. But the colander is great for washing my fruit. Overall, I've been extremely happy with it. It's been a great addition to my kitchen. So I hope you found the review helpful.